Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by using filters on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and click on the products section at the top. Tap on the search bar, and here you should type in the name of the product that you are looking for. And if you want to narrow down your search, all you have to do is clicking on the filter icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you should select from these filters, such as the minimum order quantity, less than, and type in the number, then price per item in dollar, and also you can select where would you like it to be shipped from and shipped to. You can also list or select the view of it, like gallery view or list view. Select the color of your product that you are looking for, usage, and also certification and the material of it as well. Here are 3 more options, so click on the relevant ones that you would like to apply and tap on show results. So you are going to see all of the items that fit your filters that you have just applied. So these suit your preferences. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to check out in more details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.